Going to the restaurant with all of our kids is definitely an adventure, especially if Chief is with us. In the beginning, it was all very relaxed. Nierugo was sitting with Uche, looking at the pictures around. But once he had finished eating and got his drink, there was no more reason to sit quiet. Nierugo followed his siblings to watch TV and drink his malt where nobody could take it away from him. Look at this old man. Is this how you drink malt at 2 years? Chief. He kept his bottle on the table, took his pacifier and was off again.
There may be some days when things don't go exactly how we planned, but I'll always be right there to hold your hand. Promise that I'm gonna love you as long as I
Just being happy for himself.
Oh, with everything I am, just tell me why love can't always be this easy. Time seems to stand still when you're standing near me.
Until he found a better seat far away from us.
But now I'm sure it's you that I've been waiting